During winter, frozen fingers are an issue you should think of, which is when hand warmers come in handy. We've been trying rechargeable hand warmers from different brands for the past few years. Now, winter is here, and during this winter, we've been attempting the Tomus-UNI magnetic twin rechargeable hand warmer on some of our camping, glamping, and backpacking trips and decided to share our thoughts in the video. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. We have the box right here, ready for unboxing. Let's tear the shrink wrapping first, and the package is prepared to open. You can see a quick view of the hand warmer on the front side and some quick features on the rear. And here are the other accessories that came with it, and here's the user manual. And another little box, probably the cables and adapter. Oh, okay, it's a pouch. So these are two USB 2.0 to USB Type-B cables for the hand warmers, and we think a Type-C cable would be more convenient, but no worries as they've already included the cable. So those were pretty much everything that came inside the box. Now let's take the hand warmer we kept aside and check how it's built. So this is the front side, which is made of aluminum, and this white portion is made of ABS plastic. Holding the hand warmers feel pretty solid and comfortable as it easily fits on your palm. And as you can see, both of these hand warmers have a strong magnet to keep them together, and it will prevent them from getting lost. How to turn it on, you ask? Simply press and hold this button, and there you go, it's on. When it comes to its functionalities, each hand warmer can easily give you the much needed comfort from the frigid cold weather, thanks to its 3 different levels of heating. Simply click this button to alter the warmth, and this indicator will show you how hot it is. The first level ranges from 97 degrees to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, which increases up to 118 degrees Fahrenheit at the second level. The third level will deliver you up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit of warmth. Depending on your needs and circumstances, you can stuff them into your side pockets for quick warmth. Functionalities of these hand warmers don't stop there, as this little pebble-like hand warmer doubles as a power bank as well. Each hand warmer has an individual USB Type-B port, which can juice up half your smartphone battery only in 30 minutes, making them perfect for casual trekking and hiking trips. As it comes to its batteries, both of these hand warmers boast a 4000 mAh battery, which can be fully charged in just 3.5 hours. When we plugged both of them into our power station, it showed a decent amount of charging speed. So that was a hands-on review of the Tomus-UNI magnetic twin rechargeable hand warmer. All of the functionalities, versatility, and ease of use make them your perfect companion to stuff inside your pocket during any winter recreational trip. Are you excited to get this? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.